Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a storage solution for all of your outdoor items? I have it right here. This is the Leisurelife deck box. This thing is great. It is a 120-gallon waterproof box, and it is perfect for keeping all of your outdoor activity items protected from the elements and nice and dry. So one of my favorite things about this is that it is plastic, but it has this sort of wood grain look to it. So it really blends in seamlessly with your outdoor space, whether it's your deck, patio, out by the pool, whatever. It's gonna look really nice and not be an eyesore. I also like that it was easy to put together, and it includes a couple of features that are just an added bonus. One of those is the fact that it has a little spot to put a lock. So if you need to lock up your items, you can easily do that. It also has hydraulic hinges so that when you lift it up, it'll stay open on its own. And that's really great when you're loading it up. You don't have to worry about the top falling down on you. So there are so many uses for this box, but this is a great option when you're looking to store your couch cushions or throw pillows, maybe your pool toys, or even your barbecue items like wood for your pizza oven or charcoal, things that you do not want to get wet or you don't want anything getting into. This is the perfect solution for that. The sides of the box also have a handle, so it makes moving it around a total breeze, so you can easily place it wherever you need it. So this box is simple, but it's effective and it gets the job done. It keeps all of your outdoor items protected from the elements, and it's also easy to put together. And I love the added features of the hydraulic rods and the locking function. So if you're looking for the perfect solution to keep all of your items tucked away, nice and neat and tidy in this really beautiful box, then I would definitely check out this one from Leisurelife, and that's my point of view.